This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter element renewal. Operate the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. Slacken the retaining clamp and detach the air outlet duct from the air cleaner cover. Disconnect the air mass meter in the air cleaner cover. Note the location of the air cleaner cover retaining screws. Then undo the retaining screws and lift off the air cleaner cover. Remove the air filter element, noting which way round it is fitted. Wipe clean the main body with a damp cloth. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove any debris. Fit the new air filter element, making sure it is the correct way around. Then replace the cover and tighten all retaining screws. And reconnect the air mass meter wiring connector. Reconnect the air outlet duct to the air cleaner cover and secure it in position by tightening the retaining clamp. Close the bonnet securely.